Do you have the same problem I have? Some of the YouTube Shorts thumbnail not showing the full image or text? Go to Photoshop or any editing software you want. I'll leave this PSD and PNG files. Just comment thumbnail and I'll send these files to you. Now you go to the thumbnail image generated by AI. Unlock it, copy it, and paste it here. Make sure that's the top layer. While holding the shift, adjust it to fill exactly in the rectangle. Now we are done. With the magic wand tool, select the red area, pressing Shift plus F5 and select background color. Just click OK and you're done. Now Ctrl D to deselect them all. File, export as PNG. Going back to YouTube upload screen, change your old thumbnail with the new one. Click on Save. Go back and refresh the page. As you can see, now it's fixed. Are you lazy? Lazy? Here is the fastest method. On ChatGPT, you put your generated AI thumbnail image and the reference thumbnail, and you put this prompt. I'll leave them all. If you just subscribe and comment thumbnail. Now you click on the generated image, click on save. After saving it to PC, go to the upload screen on YouTube and upload the generated image. Click on next, click on publish, go back and refresh. As you can see, the image now is perfectly done. The whole thumbnail is showing. No cuts, no crops. Yep guys, since you make it to the end of the video, please help me reach 1000 subscribers so I can monetize my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see ya.